Hello, welcome to another episode. This time around, we are taking the WASSCE 2025, the core mathematics for Nigeria, and a careful look at the questions for Nigeria, Liberia, and the Gambia. There are about 30 of those questions are similar. If I say similar, they are the same. The wording and everything are the same. So the solution to those number of questions has already been provided under the WASSCE 2025 General Mathematics for Liberia. If you go into the Liberia playlist on YouTube, Taxonomy Online Mathematics, these question numbers I've already provided. They are not going to be exact question number 6 as for Liberia. It will be a different question number, but the question will be the same. So if you have the Nigeria question paper, locate the question number 6. When you go through the playlist, the solution to that question is in there. So I'll pick the ones that are not here, about 20 of them. The rest 30 are repeated for both Gambia and Liberia. I think for Sierra Leone also. So the first question, which is not in the pool of the first ones we treated, is you have to write 0.036489 in 3 significant figures. That's the first one. After writing that, we have to express that answer in the standard form. So for a 3 significant figure, all non-zeros numbers that come before all zeros that come before a non-zero number, we don't count them. So you can see, for example, this 0 and this 0, they are not significant. They have no value. They become variable if they followed a non-zero number, as in 1, 0 is 10, 0, 1 is 1. The 0 has no meaning. All right. So here, this is my first significant figure, the second significant figure, and this is the third one. We're looking for 3 significant figures. And if I'm to write that, it's going to be 0.0364. But this number is more than 5, so it is closer to 5. We make it 1 and add it to this, so that this is closer to the end than it used to be. So if it is 1 added to 4, give you what? 5. This is the 3 significant figures. Then we have to write this as a standard form, which we need it to be in the form a dot b times 10 exponent what? N. The a is the number between 0 and 10, between, that is from 1 to 9. So we can see that if I move it, then the n is going to be the movement, the number of times I am moving the point. So if I move the point 1, I have not seen any value between 0 and 10, so I move 2. That is 3.65 times 10 exponent. How many times did I move? 2 times. The movement is there, but the sign of the n is determined by the direction. If I am moving the point from the left to the right, it takes a negative value. Then from the right to the left, it takes a positive what? Value. So since I am transferring the point to this place, the right, the value is going to be negative. So hence, my solution that I am looking for is going to be 3.65 10 exponent minus what? 2, which become the option what? D, for both combination of significant figures and the standard word form. I guess, like, share, comment, and come back for the next one.